Belly fat problem? Do this at home.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop as we shine.
Want to burn belly fat without running or jumping? Today, I'll show you simple, low-impact exercises you can do right at home. Perfect if you have had knees, limited space, or just prefer a quiet workout. No equipment needed, just your determination. Remember, consistency is the key. Doing these exercises daily will not only help you shed belly fat, but also tone your core and improve your posture. These moves are gentle but super effective. So, stick with me until the end for the full routine. If you found these exercises helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's looking for a gentle way to lose belly fat. Let's get fit together. One low impact workout at a time. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video, guys. Do this daily for best results and watch your waistline shrink over time.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evan Aliera here is signing off.